Businesses, go to each other. Go to each other. Closer. Prepare to turn, crossing the school, and turn now. Changing direction. Changing direction. Go to each other. Go to each other. That's it. Keep the distances. Okay, yeah, I messed up. Okay, we're going to do a circle now. Prepare to circle and circle now. Good. Remember the beam? Get each other. Okay, better than last time. Much better. Distances? Correct immediately if you had trouble with the distance in the circle. Immediately when you're in a straight line, correct your distances. Okay, well done. Now we're going to change the rate. Prepare to turn and turn now. The next side, we're going to do a circle again. Prepare to circle and circle now. Give us the middle of the school. Good, very good. Each other. You talk your head just think forward. This one was much better. Excellent. Okay, so now we're doing the shoulder with the X's, right? And then in the movie, you're taking away my voice and you're putting music on it, right?
Sounds wonderful, Karen.
Okay, prepare to turn. And turn now. Oh, the distances. Okay, center. Okay, not bad. And to the right. And go at the same time. And shoulder in. Correct your distances on the short side. I'm going to mix up the yoke. Like that. Let it go forward. Okay, shoulder in. Shoulder in. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Forward. 1, 2. Okay, prepare for the end and turn now. Good. Into the center. Turn, 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 turn. Sorry, wait a bit. And oh, this time, man. Where are we going?
Guys, that's a difficult one to film.
Okay, let's repeat that.